Picture this: an intelligent, energetic, easy-to-train dog that's eager to please. Enter the Portuguese Water Dog. With a mischievous yet endearing personality, these dogs are quick learners and respond well to obedience training. Got allergies? No problem. Their dense, curly coat sheds minimally, making them a great choice for those sensitive to dander. Its water-repellent nature suits outdoorsy folks perfectly. And guess what? Even the Obamas couldn't resist their charm, making a Portuguese water dog their pet of choice. So, if you're in search of a loyal, trainable, and fun-loving canine, consider the Portuguese Water Dog. They might just be your perfect match.